Hello, in this video we're going to do some supply and demand problems where we incorporate changes in willingness to buy. So we'll start with our benchmark case where we have quantity demanded and quantity supplied. We're going to find the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity and then compare it to what happens when consumers' willingness to buy changes. So setting quantity demanded equal to quantity supplied and solving for the equilibrium price, adding 20 to both sides and 2p to both sides. We see that the equilibrium price is $140, 420 divided by 3. And to get the equilibrium quantity, plug this 140 back into either the demand or supply equation. And if you do that, you'll see that the equilibrium quantity is 120. All right, so now let's have some things change. We're going to have an increase in the demand for the good, and that could come about from consumers who are now willing to buy 60 more units of the good at any given price. So to incorporate that change on the demand side of the market, we're just going to add 60 to the right-hand side. So by doing that, we are incorporating the fact that for whatever reason, maybe an increase in income or increase in the price of the substitute good, consumers want to buy 60 more units of this good at any given price. So just simplifying here, quantity demanded is now 460 minus 2p, and setting that equal to quantity supplied and solving. The equilibrium price now is 160 and we get an equilibrium quantity of 140. So this increase in consumers' willingness to buy the product because of the demand increased, shifted right, leads to a higher equilibrium price and a higher equilibrium quantity. Let's do another example. So once again, our benchmark case here, establishing the equilibrium price and quantity in the market, but this time let's have consumers willing to buy less of the product. So in this case, consumers are willing to buy 60 fewer units at any given price. So to incorporate that change, we're going to subtract 60 from the right-hand side of the demand equation. Simplifying, we have our new demand equation, setting that equal to supply and solving. The equilibrium price here is lower due to the decrease in demand, due to the decrease in willingness to buy, and the equilibrium quantity now is also lower. All right, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful.